Today we are discussing question and answer for AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, what is the difference between Amazon RDS and Amazon DynamoDB? Correct answer is Amazon RDS Relational Database Services, a managed relational database service that supports several database engines such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Amazon DynamoDB, a managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. It is designed for applications that require consistent single-digit millisecond latency at any scale. Next question is, what is Amazon VPC? Amazon Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) lets you provision a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you define. You have complete control over your virtual networking environment, including the selection of your own IP address range, creation of subnets, and configuration of route tables and network gateways. Next question is, what are security groups in AWS? Correct answer is, security groups act as a virtual firewall for your instance to control inbound and outbound traffic. When you launch an instance, you can associate one or more security groups with the instance. You add rules to each security groups that allows traffic to or from its associated instances. Next question is, what is AWS Identity and Access Management IAM? Answer should be, AWS IAM is a web service that helps you securely controls access to AWS services and resources for your users. Using IAM, you can create and manage AWS users and groups and use permissions to allow and deny their access to AWS resources. Next question is, how does AWS pricing work? Correct answer is, AWS offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model. You pay only for the resources you use with no upfront costs or long-term contracts. Pricing varies based on the service and region, and you can estimate costs using the AWS pricing calculator. Next question is, what are availability zones in AWS? Correct answer is, availability zones are distinct locations within a region, each comprising one or more discrete data centers with redundant power, networking, and connectivity. They are designed to be isolated from failures in other availability zones and provide inexpensive, low latency network connectivity to other availability zones in the same region.